Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a gradient color text effect in Capcut. So in here, you can just open your Capcut and use a black canvas like this. Then just click on text and just add the text that you want. So for example, I'm going to just write this. And then here you can change the font to how you like it. For example, I'm going to just use this one. Adjust the size of the text, click on a check icon, don't forget to adjust the duration, and after that you can just export this project. So after you are done exporting, after that you can just open it in a new project. Click on done first and click on new project and select the one that you just exported. Click on add, and now here you can just click on overlay and add overlay, and then add the any gradient color that you want, gradient photo like this. I'm going to rotate it and adjust the size so that it fits into the text. After that, here you can adjust the durations, and don't forget to click on splice now and choose the darken options. Click on a check icon, and to make the gradient moves you can just add a keyframe at the start. So I'm going to make it bigger first. You can add a keyframe in here and then move the text just like this. Okay, so in between the keyframes now you can click on grabs and then just swipe and select the bounce tree grab. As you can see now the movement is become faster like this. Now you can just go to effects, go to the video effects and click on the search column at the top and just type in random, choose this one, random graphics. Then click on the effects right here and you are done. Click on the check icon, so this will be the result. Don't forget to adjust the line of the effect. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.